Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're in TimeCraft. So today we're gonna do this one with the computer and the question mark. So let's get brief. Yeah. I have detected a time split in the 18s that have erased computer programs from history. This is around the time the first computer scientist revealed her program to the world. We need to go to London, England, and debug this issue. So let's enter pod and press button. Time jumping in 3, 2, 1.
Residence, London, England, 1800s. Computer scientist. No, this can't be. My program isn't working. It worked perfectly before, but I must present my program tomorrow, but it will take weeks to make new punch cards. What am I going to do? TARRA. Oh no, the culprit must have altered the punch card in her computer there on the desk. We must help her fix her punch cards. Let's take a closer look.
Move towards the desk. This is a desk.
That's the computer. TARRA. The punch card is inside of the computer. You can't fix it directly, but your time agent can shrink down and repair it for you. Press the button to zoom in on the punch card so you can give your time agent instructions to fix it.
Ooh, so this
Press
is
the button.
press.
Ooh, we're inside it now. You're now zoomed in and looking down on the punch card. Let's color our time agent and make the right holes in the punch card.
Ooh, so this is the punch card. Start activity.
So our agent got super small.
Yeah.
Let's use code to punch holes in the card to create the right program. So
Okay.
right now we need to punch the brown blocks.
That are in front of our agent. So
Someone filled in the computer scientist's punch cards that contain the instructions for the first algorithm. Code your agent to destroy the brown blocks to make the cards work.
okay, so our agent's right there, and we need to destroy these brown blocks. So let's go code it. So agent have to move forward and then destroy down, and repeat it 3 times. 3 times. Three times. And then let's run it. 1, 2. Ooh. Oh yeah, we have to move one more forward. So let's do this 2 forwards. So has to move 2. And then
Now we need to do the other half.
yeah, so we need to
First we
move.
need to go to the brown block.
So we need to move right 2 times. Agent move right 2 times. Okay. 1, 2. So we're
Now we need to do it backwards.
yeah. So let's get this away, and then we need an agent destroy down first, and then we need to move backwards 2 times, and then we need to repeat this 3 times. So I can punch all the holes. Destroy, destroy,
Punch,
destroy.
punch. Congratulations, time split repaired.
We're still
Now we're out.
Ooh.
Great job. Your time agent has now returned to its normal size. At least it did shrink.
Yeah.
Computer scientist. How on earth? My punch card is fixed. I can finally reveal the first computer program to the world.
Can you see me? Can you see me?
Amazing work. You've prepared this moment in time. Don't you think it's funny how we use coding to save coding?
Oh, that actually, I didn't.
But if it didn't work, then how did we even go here and code? It doesn't really make sense.
Yeah.
Detect it.
Ooh,
The
saw right here.
yeah. Press it. It's probably
It's the
inside
bed.
these doors. Yeah, that's right. Find secret room. You found the secret room. Take note of which time agents you see here and head back to the institute.
So there's Yeti and
Gremlin.
okay.
Gremlin is always so sus because he's literally called Gremlin.
And Yeti too. It's a Yeti.
And mission.
Time jumping in 3, 2. Hi!
Okay, we're back. Let's pick Gremlin.
Gremlin.
Understood. We'll keep a close watch on the agent.
So in this TimeCraft series, we've completed all of them, like all of these coding challenges. And let's look at all of the things from our victory. So this is the last one, the science. This is the dinosaur. This is the bear pet. This is the punch card we did today. 1-0. 0-1-0. Punch punch. This is, wait, which one is this? I think it was the car one. This one's the Mona Lisa. This one's the Wall of China. This is Apollo 11. This is the Pyramid of Giza. And this is the first trumpet one. So we completed all of it. All of them. Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.